Well, students, 10th standard, I have already explained word by word, line by line, the lesson Gentlemen of Rio and Medio by Juan A. Sedillo. Now come to the point, my dear student. Page 52. Please turn over page 52, 10th group. Get ready with your textbook and your notes, materials and attachment paper. I have already said previously, 7 November, your attachment. Find out those attachments and just go through it. Check your understanding, share your responses, page 52. Don Anselmo sold his land, but he did not sell his answer, 10th group, trees, T-R-E-E-S. Follow the attachment paper, what I have said with the video lesson. Number 2. The children of Rio and Medio were Don Anselmos, Sobrinos and Nietos. Sobrinos. In the previous page, you will get in the textbook the spelling. I have written in my own hand the spelling. Don't make mistake. Whenever you are making the notes, write the correct way. It's the Spanish way. Sobrinos and Nietos. Nephews and niece. Next one. Don Anselmo inherited the house from his mother. Be serious, 10th group. Word, explanation, sentences, quotes. Read full, thorough lesson so that anytime, any question, you can able to give promptly and perfect answer examiner required from you. It's the demand of the examiners in all exams. You have to give perfect answer because you are 10th student. Next one. According to Don Anselmo, the real owners of the trees were the children of Rio and Medio. Don Anselmo, number 5th. Don Anselmo did not sell the trees. Why do you think he did not sell them? Take the correct answer. He thought they did not belong to him, but to the children. This is the correct answer. Next one, page number 53, 5-3. 10th group, get ready. Page number 53. Read paragraph 5 and identify the tone or reaction of the old man while uttering the following word or words. Some examples are given. You may use any other appropriately. Mild, harsh, blunt, authoritative, self-assertive, confident, comfortable, polite, aggressive. I put some words. Follow the attachment papers. 10th group, you will apply your brilliant network and you can write any perfect word. If it is correct, not only I, any examiner in English department bound to give you marks if tally with the word perfect meaning. So, you can write in your own way. So many questions, so many things. That's not the problem. Problem is there should be no fault in grammar. Handwriting should be clear. Particular, capital letter, full stop, comma, then double inverted comma, quote, unquote. These all things should be mentioned properly. And correct simple sentences with only one finite verb. Don't make it complex, compound too much. To the point, the correct things you will mention, you will score full marks in English. That is today's English in India. Well, so, framed, confident, I do not like harsh, I know this, authoritative, I do not care to be self-assertive, that is the price, polite. So, it is my self-assertion, it is my self-confidence. Now, you can do with your self-confidence so many other words from the textbooks and you can include it properly. It doesn't matter, it should be appropriate and correct word. You do your creativity. Verbal, reading part, reading activities, verbal activities, written task, writing activities, no problem, no issue. Issue lies, it should be perfect and well-cultured manner. So, you can do it, I will appreciate it. So, next one, point. Page 55, please open 10th group, textbook, page 55. Speak well. Reading activities. Test 1. Here is an imaginary conversation between the old man and the storyteller in the act of negotiation. Negotiation means both party conversation going on, dealing about the property. Now you can take your roles, friend to friend understanding, in which way you are chatting, online also, anyways. So that one your technical matter, you can do it, you can practice. And if you want, you most welcome, come in the school premise and show me, ma'am, I and my friend, we have done in this way, just you see. Or if you want to show me this type of any video you have done in your home, fine. I will check it, then I will tell you, okay, then you can give it to the YouTube. Your so many friends around the world will see that in which way you are speaking English with your friend. But be very much careful when you are going to give anything in the YouTube around the world matters. Anyone, any moment, interestingly, they can see. So your dress code and everything should be perfect. About the boys also, about the girls also. Well, and English, first you come to me, I will check it, then I will tell you, yeah, now you can correct these things and then you do it, no problem, the creativity task. So online, so many things you can do, but it should be perfect and your language, it should be correct. That one you have to take care. Speak well reading activities. Storyteller. Good morning, Don Anselmo, the old man. Very good morning, storyteller. Please be seated, means please sit down. In your Kannada word, kutkoli. So please be seated. The old man, thank you. He sits. Thank you. Thanks. Different way, different tone you can use. It should be sweet and good. Storyteller. The weather is fantastic today, isn't it? The old man. Of course. Well, you sent for me. What's the matter? Storyteller. You know, we are thinking of buying a site for our American friends. Please meet them. He introduces them to each other. They shake hands. It's the first meeting. Shake hands. I heard you want to sell your land across the river. Am I right? Now coronavirus pandemic, so we have to take some protection. Instead of shake hands directly without gloves, you can do in this way. Showing respect. That's good. This one. To gesture, body gesture. So you can do this one. The old man. You have right. That's just what I'm thinking about, storyteller. If you don't mind, please quote your price. The old man, sure, it's $1,200. Storyteller, you mean $1,200 for the entire estate? The old man, that's exactly what I mean. Do you agree with the price? Storyteller, no, I was only thinking that the land is really worth more than what you have quoted. How about $20,000? Turns towards his American friend. Friend, what's your opinion? Friend, I do agree with your quote, of course. Storyteller, would you care to accept my price? The old man, seeming to be hurt. Friend, I don't like to have you speak to me in that manner. Very sorry. Because the old man is not greedy. Only the $1,200 enough. He don't want full price, this price, extra commission, this, that, nothing. Storyteller, apologetically, excuse me please. I never meant to hurt you. Means to give you something very heart-touchy, not in that way, sentimental matter. If I did, I'm terribly sorry. What do you think you would do? The old man, all right, please see, I know the Americans, they are good, buenegete, good people. They are very generous, kind-hearted. In this way, in which way I am reading, you will read and lots of vocabulary will enter. Words power. Word power, lesson like your mother tongue in India. All the states have their own mother tongue. Fluently you are using it. In this way, English language also, like cricket match, practice and be the winner. So alright, please see, I know the Americans, they are very generous, but I don't like to be insulted. If I say $1,200, it is the price, I don't need a cent more. Means 1 cent also more, I don't want, only that much money I need. This is a version of the old man, gentleman of Rio and Medio. Storyteller, thank you. Here's $1,200, a check. If you don't mind. The old man, not at all. He takes the check and signs the bond. Now is self-assessment. Your assessment individually. Page 57. I listen to the conversation presented in the class. Yes. I presented the conversation effectively. Yes. I understand the importance of the underlined expression. Yes. I am able to use appropriate language functions in my day-to-day conversation. Yes. I wrote a dialogue with my partner. Yes. Be positive and yes. That will be, you are my students, your version. 10th group, best of luck. Keep on reading the whole lesson. Again, I will be coming back with this continued part. Thank you.